Good afternoon, Allstate. This is George with Alvarez Construction with our mutual client Medellin Banda at 310 Deerfield Road, Newark, Delaware 19713. Claim number 0813587946. This was our first repairability attempt. This is one actually showing the full step process. So right now we are going to remove the nails that are on top of the existing asbestos siding. As you can see, it's already starting to crack a little bit.
Se rompió.
As you can see, upon removing the nailings, the existing asbestos siding is brittle.
Ahí está. Queda arriba. Queda arriba.
It is butted up against right there, as well as a little overlap going on at the other end.
Luego para clavar aquí, remover eso se va a quebrar también.
Sí, no vas a echarle el
Ahí está
pelito.
quebrado ya. Con eso no.